Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, I'm Nico Patrick, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below this video to subscribe, and thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to show how I achieved this look from my hair to my makeup. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. After watching this video, if you love it, give it a huge thumbs up, like, share, comment, and yeah, thank you so much, and let's get started. So this is the situation of my hair at the moment. My hair is looking really short because I cut the hair recently. Relaxer damaged my hair and I had to cut the hair, and now the hair is just growing back and a lot is going on with this hair right now. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and cornrow the hair before I wear my wig. Now that I'm done with the cornrow, I'm just gonna go ahead and wear my wig. The cornrow actually look pretty on me.
Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong?
Then I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of this eco gel to lay down the part area of the wig.
And now, I lose my own. It's like my love is out of my mind. And you are not more than a dream. So wait, can you even hold me?
Moving on to my makeup, I'm going to go ahead and use this sleek eyebrow kit to fill in my eyebrows.
No more than a dream.
And for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Magic palette by Juvia's Place. Now I'm just applying Elegant concealer on my eyelid using my eyeshadow brush to brighten it out before I apply my eyeshadow. Now I'm taking the shade called Ada from the Magic palette and I'm just applying that on my crease as my transition shade. Now I'm just creating a half cut crease using the same Elegant concealer. I actually love half cut crease because it's very simple and fast to create. Then I'm going to go ahead and use MAC liquid eyeliner to line my eyes.
I'm wandering slowly that you are no more than a dream. Hey you, is this all you wanted? And hey you.
Then to prime my face, I'm going to go ahead and use this Makeup Forever Step 1 primer. I really love this primer. It's one of my favorites.
Hey you, is this all you wanted?
For my foundation, I'm going to use MAC Match Master Foundation. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this Eveline contour stick to highlight my face.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong? And now, I lose my own sight. My love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a dream. So wait, can you even hold me? Hey, oh hey. Babe, you are no more than a dream. Hey, you want it.
Then to bake and set in my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use Black Apple Setting Powder in the shade Medium Black. To glow my face, I'm going to use Bobbi Brown highlighting powder. Lastly, for my lipstick, I'm going to use Essence lipstick matte. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply the Essence Shine Lip Gloss on top of that, because I really love my lips super glossy.
You're all I want. You're all I I lose my own sight. It's out of my mind. I'm more than a dream. Even hold me. I'm wondering slowly that you are no more than a dream. Hey, you, is this all you wanted? And hey.
So guys, this is the end of this video and I hope you love it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like, share, comment. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.